the 4Cs of the diamonds, which are the color. The whiter the diamond is, the more rare, the more valuable it is. The clarity of the diamond, so the internal cleanliness of the diamond, the more pure the diamond is, the more valuable it is. If it has natural imperfections or characteristics that are visible, it's going to be less valuable, less desirable. The carat weight of the diamond is actually how much the diamond weighs. So you put it on a scale. If it weighs 1.05, it's a 1.05 carat. So the heavier the diamond, the more valuable, the more expensive it's going to be. The 4th C is the cut, and it's probably the most important, but the hardest to understand, but I feel like it should be the most appreciated. It's the actual cutting, the beauty of the stone. Like when diamonds are dug up out of the earth, they just look like kind of rough quartz crystals, kind of. There's a true art to actually cutting and faceting that rock crystal into actually forming the shape of the actual diamond itself. And if you have a master diamond cutter working on the rough material, they can actually perfect the cut of the stone. And the more well cut the stone is, the more brilliance and fire the diamond's going to put off. So this day and age, anybody can go on the internet and look at diamonds, or you can look at cars, you can look at clothes, you can look at anything and compare. But diamonds, honestly, you really truly have to see them in person to appreciate and understand and distinguish the difference. You can have 2 diamonds that are certified. They have this exact same grading, same weight, same color, same clarity, same everything, but they look entirely different. It's fine to research and understand the 4Cs before you come in. That's okay. But come into a store like ours that we're professionals and we can actually show you the differences. And I tell people, don't buy a diamond based on the 4Cs. Buy it because of the natural beauty within the stone that you actually see and that captures your heart, that you know that your recipient is going to be wearing and be proud of. Like, that's the one. Initially, the guys are interested because they want to, make sure they're getting a good deal based on what they've compared. But most of the time, most of that information gets forgotten or lost. But what doesn't get forgotten or lost is the actual beauty of the diamond. And you want to be able to see the diamond from 10 tables away. So you want your girlfriend sitting across the room to be able to recognize the beauty in the diamond that's on her finger.